How to report a suspicious transaction in TD Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you spotted something unusual in your TD Bank account, well, here is how to quickly report a suspicious transaction online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here you can simply click on the login option at the top right corner and simply select online banking from the drop down menu. And now here on the next page, you need to enter your username and password to log in to your TD Bank account. And here, once you're done with that and once you're logged in, you can simply select the account where you saw the suspicious charge and go through your recent transaction. And here, when you find the suspicious transaction, you simply have to click on it to view details and look for the option that says report this transaction or dispute this charge. And here, if you don't see a report button, you can directly contact TD Bank immediately, which number is provided on their website. So there you can simply copy the number from their website to speak with a fraud specialist. And here, after reporting, be sure to monitor your account regularly and turn on alerts to stay updated on any new activity. And if you are concerned about your account security, it's a good idea to change your password right away. And that's it. That's how you can report a suspicious transaction with the TD Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.